You spend all your time creating that one piece of content, thinking that it's going to get you links, traffic, and ranking, but sometimes it doesn't. Whenever I am in a conversation with a client or a fellow marketer, and I ask them, what is your content distribution strategy? Often the reply that you get is, oh, we're going to use social media, email, newsletter subscriptions to sort of distribute this piece of content. But you know what? Channels don't equal to a content distribution strategy. Today's topic is how to develop a content distribution strategy. This is Content Friday, and I am your host, Suraj Diwakar. So you can break down content distribution strategy into 3 simple steps. The first step is to evaluate your channel options. You can break down all your channels into 3 components, which is owned media, shared media, and paid media. Owned media includes all the channels that you currently own, which includes your website, your email, the newsletters that you have, the email subscriptions that you have. Shared media basically includes all your social media channels, which is your LinkedIn page, your Facebook page, your Twitter handle, your TikTok handle, etc. Whereas paid media includes all the paid partnerships that you have with media publications. Evaluating your channel options is really about understanding who your target audience is and where you can find them. So let's say your target audience is in the age group of 18 to 24. You're more likely to find them on social media, which is shared media in this case. If your target audience is B2B, you're more likely to find them on LinkedIn and other media publications. When you evaluate your channel options, it is important that you establish your primary media distribution model and use all that learning to inform your distribution strategy. The second step in the process is to document your plan. While you're documenting your plan, make sure that you capture following details. 1. What is the entire lead or engagement target for the financial year? Second, what is the target velocity? How frequently are you going to post on the channel that you have chosen? Third, what formats are you going to use in the channel that you have chosen, which could be anything from a social media post to an ebook? Fourth, what is the call to action? And fifth is to capture the name of the team member who's going to work on that channel. The last and final step in the process is to promote your content and amplify its reach. There are essentially 2 aspects that you should take care of here. The first one is to set your content for organic reach, which is to make sure that any piece of content that you have created is optimized for metadata, alt tags, title tags, has a call to action, and is internally linked to any relevant piece of content on your website. The second aspect that you should look at is a content pruning exercise, which is to identify all the pieces of content that you've created in the last 3 to 6 months so that you can retain the ones that have performed really well, republish or repurpose the ones that are struggling, and delete the ones which are not doing well. So to summarize, the 3 steps that we've discussed today are to evaluate your channel options, to document your plan, and third is to promote and amplify your content. I hope you found the content useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.